Ravi Kumar and Maruti and the stage decoration.
Good evening, I am Joshi from Zanzibar. I respect all the religions, Hindu religions here in Dar es Salaam. Today is Ram Navami of Balaji. Balaji performed this beautiful here in Sri Sanatan Dharma Sabha Temple, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. You can see, very well organized, and on the auspicious days of Ram Navami, you can see very beautiful stage, very respected, auspicious day for all Hindus around the world. And you can see how colorful, auspicious day of Ram Navami, 17th April 2024, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I'm doing this video for darshan for everybody, and you can see how good they have done. Very well organized, but this is the important thing is
lot of people are there who are doing a lot of service to the God and all. We request all the devotees also to come forward. There are a lot of, throughout the year, we have a lot of programs are there. I suggest take care of each program. One person is there. Swami, every year I will sponsor for this person and I will take care of this I will take care of this total program and all. So maybe you can have the 2-3 family group, like a group you can come together and you can take care of these programs and all. So it is not like a program at all. We are protecting our dharma. Dharma cover కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే మన స్వామికి నిత్యం కూడా ఏదో ఒక సేవ చేసి ఉండాలి. To protect our dharma, we need to do like this Kalyana Mahotsavam, Yajnas, Homas, Abhishekas and all. So we welcome all the devotees. Every month, for every Ekadasi, Gurumurti and family they are there. He told that every Ekadasi will do the bhajana. That just not only giving the money, you can do the prasad, you can do the bhajana, you can do any type of service to that. Even we have the store, you can clean it. All can come forward and take like a voluntary job and you can do the service to the Lord. This is our temple, our Balaji temple. We welcome all the devotees to take all the sevas for the take care and have the best like it, do every day the Swami Seva and get the blessings from the our Balaji. Thank you. Jai Sriman Narayana. You are fit for the Kalyana Mahotsava. Please come everyone and take the prasadam. And then after that, all the devotees can come in line and have the darshan, take the prasadam. Swami Kalyana Akshata also and take the Mahaprasadam. Jai Sriman Narayana.
devotees from Balaji Temple. Done a very wonderful job. It is on the auspicious day of Sri Ram Navami here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, East Africa. Very beautifully decorated and very beautifully done. So this is for darshan for everybody. I'm Joshi from Zanzibar. Go to my YouTube, Joshi's the Zanzibar. See all the videos and you can see very well done, very beautiful. I'm Joshi from Zanzibar here at Sri Sanatan Dharma Sabha Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, East Africa. And kaise ho ben? And today on the auspicious day of Ram Navami, he celebrated here in Dar es Salaam. And you can see how traditional, how auspicious it is. And everybody proudly say Happy Ram Navami to everybody, all the Hindus of the world. And I'm Deepak Joshi from Zanzibar. On every occasion of our religions, I always take great interest with great respect. I do videos mostly on my YouTube, Joshi's Desk Zanzibar. Go there, subscribe, like, share, and wishing everybody Happy Ram Navami on 17th April 2024, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, East Africa. Everybody, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram, and Happy Ram Navami to everybody and all the devotees of Balaji Hindu Mandir, Dar es Salaam. Thank you.